if you click like the Aussie one, it says that basically the prediction, if it's a worse news, sell Aussie US. If it's a better one, buy odd CAD. So it gives you like an
Okay.
idea.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, because it is about that, isn't it? It's about having a lot of different piece of information in your arsenal to try and place a trade. Not just a signal provider. Because I can definitely say with the software I've used, that didn't I went against the grain definitely for me. But that's good. Anything that I can get my hands on now to read and look over is excellent.
Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. But that's why we'll. Oh, hang on a second. What's the time now? Coming up to 1:15, isn't it? So at 1:15, I'm gonna just double check on the euro with what it's saying on the XE Trader tool. Because at the moment the euro's going down on all the currency pairs.
Let me switch.
Yeah.
My screen looks like enough. But...
So I can't wait to see what happens there.
Oh yeah, it's going down. Yeah. It just broke below the pivot level, so now the next level it's gonna hit is 106.861, and if it breaks that, it could go to 1.06650.
Yeah. I know.
But currently, where it's at right now, can I share my screen real quick?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you see this level right here, the double blue that I have? This
Yes.
one, it's usually a very strong level, and there's always a retracement in here every time this is touched. So unless this is broken, you can go to this level, which I was talking about.
Okay.
But currently in the 30 minutes, if I was to switch it there, you see how it broke pivot, the whole up and down
Yeah.
thing that it did. So normally it should continue, because the zero here is broken now. This thing that's curving up, this is the thing that I don't like. Because if you enter a sell, it could go up to here for sure, and then possibly there. If it goes here, it's going to retrace.
I know what you mean. Okay. Fair enough.
I just don't know. Will it be good enough if you put a trade now for 30 minutes?
To be honest, 30 minutes is quite a big expiry, well, for the moment anyway. The market seems to be fluctuating quite a lot at the moment. Well, for other currency pairs, for the euro, it's been quite easy, as it's just had a continuous downwards trend since around 9:45 this morning. So for the past 4 hours, it's been in one continuous direction.
Yep.
So it hasn't been too bad to read, but then I placed my €1,000 trade on RB with the GBP and USD on a put. And if I go GBP USD...
Yeah, but this one was doing pretty good though.
Yeah, I was actually... The thing is, what it was as well is I used when I was using the XE Trader chart, as I was reading it, it was going to go down. Then what happens? The moment I placed the trade, it all goes up. And I thought to myself, Jesus, God, no. I tell you what, I was sweating. You know what I mean? But then...
Oh, yeah.
But then
I need it until it expires.
Yeah, well then on the last 2 minutes, it literally plummeted straight down. And I couldn't believe it. And I was like, yes! Thank God for that. Because that managed to boost my RB options account all the way up to about...
60 something.
6.2, 6.25.
Yeah.
And I just uploaded that latest video of me showing off the 22,000, and that's why I'm absolutely dead chuffed, especially with you two as well. Do you know what I mean? I'm hoping that I can help you. I've had loads of messages bloody come through over the past week of people wanting help, so it's hard to sort of it's gonna be hard to get through to everyone this week.
I think it would be easier just to do like a group conference call or something.
Yeah, I might do, because if at least if I can prove that my strategy works, live and all that lot. So But anyway,
It just right now it just looks a bit iffy though.
yeah,
I really don't think the way it looks, because this candle, like if you look at it, they started there. If we were to draw a line, all of this is declining after it hit double red.
what's that on? What currency pair? GBP USD.
Yeah, I mean
Okay.
overall it's up because it's above the slope, but this crossing here up in the air, the volume is kind of small, and this is
Yeah.
In theory, this could go up to there or up to there and retest this and
Okay.
maybe try for a new high. But
Yeah.
because this level here it's been so strong, it's been rejected twice. It's kind of hard to predict where it could go.
Is Declan still hearing this, or
Yeah. Sorry, but I was just in a trance there listening to you. It's actually interesting, especially when you said there you got 6.25 in your account, and I'm looking forward to. As I said, now I'm going to watch your video in the next couple of hours, so I'm looking forward to seeing that 22k in your account.
yeah? It's Is there any way you can see Endry's screen at the candlestick chart?
No, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here at the moment. I can't. I know even your screen when you were sharing it a while ago, there was it froze a couple of times on me. I'd say it's just down to the internet connection I'm on here at the moment. It's probably
the Wi-Fi, and it's coming up to 1:15, so it's almost time to watch the euro go into a positive move.
But what I will do, boys, is I'll leave the 2E trade away there, and I better do a bit of work since they're paying me, or else I'll have no money to trade. And it's been good talking to you, Andrew. Last thing, Andrew, before I go, are you using any of the platforms? Are you using Mike's Auto Trader or XE Trader or anything?
I started yesterday with Mike's, but I think I'm getting scammed. I have like 250 locked in a GTO options account. I was telling Seb about it yesterday.
I tell you what, that was a disaster trying to get that done. The thing is, you've got to be careful what broker you have got. Do you know what I mean? Now it's hard to try and slam down other brokers, but trying to get it out of GT options. Oh my god. Jesus. Told you not to rush in without me. I told you not to rush in without me.
Yeah. Well, I have a feeling euro dollar is gonna go up because it did like a pin bar by the time this candle ends on the 30-minute. Normally we should have an up move.
Well, the euro USD is going up now.
Yeah.
Only a little bit. I'm just gonna zoom in on the option XC graph. Hang on. There we go.
Okay, boys. Listen, I'll better jump ship here, and I'll drop you a line later on, Seb, and I'll have a quick look at the videos. Andrew, nice talking to you, mate.
Yeah, nice talking to you, mate. Have a good one. Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Right. Okay, fair enough. Right, the euro USD is going up. Check the euro GBP. Yeah, GBP starting going up as well. Been put on a hold actually. That's still needs to update.
My euro GBP overall is still down there.
Oh, my leg! Ow! Jesus.
What?
I don't know. I just got a spike of pain just ran from my belly. It's because I'm sitting on my arse all day.
Yeah, you gotta like flex it a little bit so it doesn't get stiff.
Yeah, I
think
some lunch.
I think the next candle, if we were to buy on the euro dollar for 30 minutes, the next one should be an up.
Oh yeah, but I'm trying to load up the euro JPY. It's not bloody doing it, so I'm gonna go euro USD. I might have to place.
If you look at this like that, it looks like a hammer right there.
Okay.
And this is like a pin bar, so this shows that it will not go any lower. This normally the next one should be up.
I'm gonna have to reload my my XE Trader software because it's frozen on me.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, I'll probably stop sharing now.
Hang on a second. Let me just broker RB broker. Where's Tend? There it is.
When was the news you said it was going to be released at?
Well, the news had come in at quarter past. Which has just gone by now. Oh, come on, what's going on? Oh, it's just loading. Okay. I just
For how
really
many
want to
minutes
place this
would you put
trade.
it for? For 30?
Say that again, sorry.
For how many minutes would you think to put it for? 30 minutes?
Yeah, no, I'd say about 15 if you could.
15? Yeah. I don't have much left, so I'll put like the minimum, like a 20. Yeah, but this one is looking good. Like I think the next one for sure has to be higher than this.
Okay, my account's already logged in on 10 trading. For God's sake, you know when you try and remember a password and it never works?
What I do is usually I type all my passwords in a text document and just copy and paste them.
I probably should do that.
Because I have over like 36 passwords to remember, so it's like, fuck it.
Oh my goodness me. How the... No, for God's sake, go away. Test4scam@gmail.com. I'll tell you what, this is like...
It's like pulling teeth. Oh, today's Remembrance Day.
I know. Oh, Jesus.
Have you gotten your puppy?
Sorry?
Have you gotten your puppy, the flower?
Yes, I do. Oh, well, when they call, and it's really annoying.
Yeah, that's exactly what I meant.
There we go, I'm in! Yes, finally, thank God for that. Jesus Christ.
Congrats. So this thing will expire in 10 minutes. So
Right,
after
while I'm waiting for my RB to load, let's have a look at the graph again.
I really hate that this candle is in close to pivot, because then like there's two possibilities. There's one that could break above and be higher, and there's another one which could be like a dodgy or it goes lower.
Yeah.
I mean, right now it's pushing up. It's pretty good up.
What are you on, the Euro USD as well?
Yeah,
Yes, it is. I think I'm going to place a trade.
expiring in 30.
Well, I'm going to see when I can make it. I know I can make it expire, I think, in 10 minutes. 9 minutes. I think. I'm just going to double check now.
Holy
Oh,
shit,
yes, I
it's really
can as
going
well.
up.
Fantastic.
For 10?
50 euro trade. To expire in 10 minutes. Oh, it's going up. Come on, come on. We need to place that trade. There we go. I placed a 50 euro trade on it quickly. Oh, it spiked back down again, so I'm just going to open up the chart. Keep that open. Get the graph up, and then just wait for a bit. And absolutely pray. Because the thing is, right, according to the XE Traders information, it is going to spike upwards. Well, no, it says in all fairness to look out for a positive input. And I'm not going to lie, fair play, they got it right. It has had a positive output to it, which is good. Whether I can...
it will go up. I mean,
Oh, look at that.
my...
That is flying upwards.
It has to go at least up to here.
Yeah.
Now,
Oh,
from here, it could go up to there.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, is it okay if I record this live to put on YouTube?
What, my side?
Well, from my side and then on your side as well, but I'll blur out any information.
Okay. If you could hide like the bank account here, it'll be awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
Or what I can do is like I could switch into a demo.
Okay, or yeah, whatever suits you.
Yeah, I'll just switch into a demo.
But at the moment, yeah, this is going up.
I didn't switch it. Hold on.
That's alright. I haven't been on your, well, on the screen you've got up now anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, it's going up, and now it's slowly coming back down. What does your chart say?
My stock pair thing is kind of hanging by a thread there.
Actually, yeah. Let me check mine as well.
What's your entry at? Mine is like 107251.
I'm trying to bring up. Hang on, I'm just bringing up my stock pair account now. 1 second. Euro USD. Okay, it's still going up according to stock pair as well, which is good. Wow, was that a big spike?
Yeah, this is my entry basically.
Hang on a second, have a look now. Hang on a second. I don't want to make it so wide, but I'd rather.
Expires 8/31/39. That's quite a long time.
I see what you mean. Yeah. Fantastic.
Is this really 5 minutes?
I've got 6 minutes left, and it's still in the money. Come on, this would be this is good to put on my on the YouTube channel as well. Some live trading. Yeah, absolutely
I
fantastic.
think my
Hang on a second.
my chart here got screwed up. I'm gonna switch things.
Okay,
This is kind of struggling here though.
that's all right. Have you placed a trade as well?
Yeah, I'm in it. You can see my
Fantastic.
screen.
What was your entry rate, by the way?
1.07251.
One
I took it a little late.
1.07251. Mine is
51. Yeah,
mine's 245.
yeah, that's a better entry. This one is kind of, it's too close to this for
It
comfort.
is. Thing is, yours is like a 6 mark higher than mine. But you're in the money anyway.
Oh yeah, but mine expires at 31, so it's like 8:25. It's like 6 minutes.
Mine expires in 5 minutes. Just gotta sit back and relax. Okay.
Yeah, give me a little bit of your comment. I said, cool, man. Because every time I see this thing ranging like this,
I think
right on it, it's like, you know, last minute or like within here, usually it goes like poof, and then it's like, see ya.
I think someone's just commented on the YouTube thing. What's going on? I hate when it goes on random pages. I'll see what he says in a minute. I've got about, let me see how many views I've got. About 30 views on the new video. I still can't believe though those €1,000 trades come in.
Yeah, those are quite nice.
I tell you what though. Oh, you last night. That was funny. I was trying to feed the cat when I was at home, and
Yeah.
all I can hear is my Skype going off. She goes, "Seb, it's going up, it's going down, it's breaking up, it's breaking down." I was sweating so much because I was in the money for like so long, and then it started to like fuck me up a little bit on the last 5 minutes. I was like, no, but it just come in.
I have a
Where
feeling
was
it's
it?
gonna
There it
die,
was.
though.
It was on the, yeah, there you go, 17.8 and the 1001. And then this one as well at the right at the top, the GBP USD one. That I can't believe I tried. I was skyping Declan, the guy who was here earlier. I was like, Declan, come on, where are you? Stop working, whatever you're doing, and have a look. And he was like, no, hang on, I can't. I'm speaking to my brother about something important. I was like, oh, it's gonna come in.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
But I mean, if you look at this, where we're at right now, this is a little iffy. Normally, this should continue up. It could go up to there, but all of this, that weak thing, it's not looking good at all.
I don't think it'll be
Let's see.
too bad because if you have a look at what's happened
Look
the
how
past
close it
24 hours, it's been really quite down in the past 24 hours. So hopefully it will spike itself back up again, which is what it's trying to do now. Come on, how long have I got left? 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 10 seconds,
Yes.
and it looks like it's leveling itself out a little bit. Is that what's happening right now on your thing?
Yeah. Let me do this one.
Try.
This was my entry basically.
Okay.
So let's see. Mine expires at 31, 39. the thing that I'm worried about is because you have such a huge retracement and this one ends in 2 minutes. If this
How much
tend to
profit
draw a line,
will you? What's your payout percentage?
uh,
I should have actually done a
this was
trade on
like
stock
eight-
pair as well. But my stock pair, I tell you what, I've been doing really rubbish on stock pair. I mean, I had about
82 right now.
$11,000 in stock pair at one point, and I lost quite a lot of money. About three. I think I was telling you yesterday. Was that about 3 weeks ago? Something like that.
Yeah.
I showed you. I lost those like $400-500 trades.
Yeah, but the biggest thing about those is like you entered with very, very low time.
Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
I
I
wanna-
was an idiot back then anyway. Fucking disaster. That was, and plus I wasn't
The
using
trick
anything.
with it is like if you're trying to do turbo, Seb, don't go with because with stock pair you can only do like a minute, minute and 30. Do a minute and 30 for a 2 minute trade.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. I don't usually do 60-second trades. I mean, from last night when I had €5,000, €5,000 in my RB option account, and I've managed to get up to now 6,200 in just 12 hours. I think it's incredible. And to be honest, I've done it most of the time with you on Skype or Declan on Skype. It's quite funny to watch.
Ah shit! Now it's spiking down. Stay
Is
there.
it
Stay there.
spiking
hold-
down? No, it's not. No, it's fine. It's on 269 still, and mine's just come in. It's not registered it yet. Hang on. No, you're fine still. What were you on? You were on 251, weren't you?
Yeah,
No,
it's where the blue line is.
you should be okay.
Few more seconds. 31. Normally it should.
There
this
you
one
go.
should
It's
be blue
spiked.
as well.
Whoa! It's okay. It's had
Yeah.
a big spike. It's flying up.
Yeah.
It's breaking up. Look at that.
Let's see. 31, 39. Okay, let's see.
That is incredible. What a spike. And I tell you what, yeah, mine coming as a win.
Oh yeah, definitely. Now it's overkill as a win. Look, this is the entry point.
Let me have a look quickly. Fucking hell.
This is the entry point, so this is definitely a win.
Wow, I tell you
It's
what,
expiring at.
that
yeah.
information that I got from XT Trader was absolutely spot on. Just about though, fucking hell. That was close, but it just spiked off at past. I'll tell you what.
I might actually have to do an XE account.
XT Trader really is good. Well, look, if you go on my YouTube video, I've got a link in the description to just use that, and then if you want my help in the future, I'm more than happy to do some live trading with you.
Yeah, of course. But this one, I saw it in my MetaTrader chart that it was like I was just waiting for a breakout here.
Yeah,
If-
I might place
if the
another trade.
Breakout here would have happened, it would just spike.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to close my stop pair now. What was I going to say?
Yeah, I think mine closed as well. It's positive now.
Let's
yeah,
have a
it's in
look.
the money.
How much money you got now in your stop pair?
Well, it's only 221.30, but basically it made 16.4, like 82% on that trade.
Fantastic. So you got. How much was your trade? €20, $25, or
20 bucks, yeah.
okay.
You
So
you could take a
you
look
got
at it.
36. Did you? What was it? Yeah, 36.
Well, you
man.
could take a look. I think, yeah.
Okay, fair enough. That's fantastic. Excellent. Right.
Mm.
What's happening on the market? I'm just going to double check the calendar
Yours
because
looks like it still has room to go up.
I think it might, but I think it's gone up now way too much to carry on placing call trades.
USDN looks like it's going down.
The euro, what? Sorry.
US dollar Japanese for a put. Let me just check it on my chart.
US
Oh
dollar.
wow, euro is, yeah, I think euro will continue.
Do you reckon it will continue to rise?
Although this candle is pretty solid. I mean, if you were to look at my screen,
Yeah.
if we're like right here, it could possibly go to there or higher. Let me just switch on my other.
I'll tell you
thing.
what. If you can identify that it's going to do that, hang on. I'll double check as well. Give me a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Then-
open my.
We can place some more trades.
Yeah, 1 second.
I don't think I'll do 1,000 though this time.
Maybe 500.
Oh, I'll tell you what. Phew. At least I think if I lost the 500 though, I'm still about 200 in profit. So
Okay, this is euro dollar. Ah, this is a stupid dead demo.
the euro's climbing, yeah. But I tell you what, have you seen what you said earlier, the USD and Japanese yen? Okay,
It's gonna climb.
I've just received a message from
Remember
from
how I
XE
told you
Trader.
earlier?
Euro
Check this
G,
out.
dude, Euro GBP. Apparently, I've just received a message come through. Strike 0.70686. Cool. Apparently,
Euro GBP is climbing up still.
XE Traders just told me to call on Euro GBP.
Yeah, I think that's viable. It's gonna go up.
Shall we?
Yeah. For how long though? 30?
I can only do 30.
Yeah, I think that's a good answer. That's a good idea.
I'm only gonna put a 15 euro trade, I think, though, in this one, or 10 euro trade, just in case.
30 by. I'm gonna put the same amount because.
Okay. Just in case it stops moving, so at least then I've still got some profit. I placed it really at the wrong bloody entry point. Fucking hell. Have you placed the trade?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
It's going down now.
I know, typical that, isn't it? Alright, I
But
think best thing we
I don't
can
know.
do.
From what I see here on the 30-minute chart, normally it should go a little bit higher. Although
I'm
most of the
checking-
currencies, what they do is like 2 and 3 candle patterns. So
I'm checking the. It's basically my XE Trader will update every minute, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on that.
because here, if you look at it, the volume is rising, and
Yeah.
here the RSI is rising as well. We might have a little bit of an up and down here in the 50 area, but once this is broken, then this level will be broken and we're going for this. The question is, will the 30 minutes be it?
Well, I think 30 minutes is a little bit too long, but the only problem is I can only place a 30-minute on my RB option, so. But I placed a 10 euro trade, so if I lose, I still get about 20 euros in profit from the last trade.
Oh, this is looking bad.
Oh my god!
Now I'm gonna edit this thing out. 704.
To be honest, I don't think I will. I'll keep it all live and normal because, you know, you can't win them all. Plus, and I'm sure as you know, it's impossible for anyone to predict 100% where the hell it's going to go. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, 07.
I'm having a look. I'm having a look at our RB options candlestick charts, and it's broken away downwards.
But you know, we got 30 minutes, so we shouldn't.
Exactly.
We
I'm going to use their little strategy advisor that they have and find out what they think, and also because the trader's choice, so everyone else is going for a call as well. RB options says to go with a put, but I'm not actually surprised they'd say that after what's just happened. Jesus.
I mean, at least on the lower time frame, looks like could potentially be either a dip or a reversal, but on the 30 minutes, it's just solid.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing, you see. It's like following the trend. I mean, technically speaking, we didn't actually do anything wrong. We were following the trend perfectly. And it's just a fucking shame. What's happened now? Okay, do me a favour. Check the Euro and JPY. And see where that's going. Okay, it's going upwards, by the way, the Euro GBP. But in the meantime, check the.
Yeah, JPY doesn't look too hot.
Is it going for a call or put, would you say?
A little early to tell. I would actually wait for this candle to end and then judge from it.
I'll tell you what,
Right now it
that
looks like a down.
USD JPY, I really want to trade on it.
Why do you like it so much, man?
Sorry?
Why do you like it so much? I really hate this currency, to tell you the truth.
Oh,
It's
no, don't-
really good when it goes down.
Don't get me wrong. I don't exactly like it, but the fact is, right, look at that trend. The Japanese yen fluctuates a lot, I know that, yeah. But the trend itself. Euro JPY, I cannot even look at. Let's have a look on 10 trade. I can't even have a look on 10 trade. Yes, I can. And that can expire as
What's
well.
up?
Oh, fuck. Alright, fair enough. I'm just going to do it. Should I do it? Call or put? Call or put? Fuck, I'm going to go with call. I'm going to do
I would
it.
say put.
Would you?
But how long though? How long?
Oh, no, cancel. That's close. 6 minutes expiry in 6 minutes.
Probably put. Well, actually, it's a huge longest candle in a 5 minutes. It's in news. It's most likely gonna go up. Yeah, it's going up.
Oh, I couldn't place it.
It's too long.
I couldn't
candle.
place it.
It's better to be out of it.
The option just expired. I couldn't place it. And if I'd have placed it then, I'd be in the money at the moment. Oh, it's going up. I would have been in the money. Oh my god. I would have ended up placing it at 9.54, I think it was. And it's now going up to 9.58, and then it's going up past the 6 mark as well. What's the next expiry in 20 minutes? I can't be asked now. Just in case, but I think that would have done it as well. Oh, that's gutting.
Yeah, now it's climbing back up a bit.
Yeah. I think we might...
You might have like an up candle before you have another down.
If we can get this...
usually don't like to switch charts too many times, but... Yes, go ahead, sorry.
No, I was just going to say, I'm going to look at the RB options chart to watch it flow in real time. Oh, maybe.
Let me take a look at the Euro GBP though. It took, this one is climbing back up, which is good. So,
Well, look, yeah,
that the red candle didn't do shit.
The Euro GBP.
So now, normally should go for a higher price. Where's your entry on that one?
Oh, hang on a minute. I've got a... Sorry, my mobile was just going on.
Right. 70774. Ah, man. This is looking not good.
Such a shame as well, because it was on point to go up. That's the annoying thing.
I mean, this thing expires 9:05, so...
Well, we still got 20 minutes, so...
I mean, we had a double bottom, but now we have a little bit of a dip. So it's normally after the double bottom has to go up, which it did, but right now it's looking down.
Oh man, I wish I placed that trade on the Euro JPY. I would have been in the money as well. I was gonna place a 50 quid trade. Oh, I would have been way in the money.
Yeah, you should have placed it early.
I might actually place a quick trade now. I'm just on it. There we go. To expire
The Euro
in
GBP, I think it's gonna dump for at least 5 minutes.
to expire in this little time. I'm actually gonna double up on that now that it's at a low point as well. Trade duplication achieved. And as soon as I place the trade, why does everything spike in the opposite direction the moment I place it? It's so weird.
Tell me about it. I've been wondering that for options for a while. It's like the market is testing you, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
it's
Well,
like, so you
to
want
be honest,
to go up, eh? It's
yeah.
like,
Here's
oh,
like, you want to
yes.
go up? Well, fuck you. We're gonna go down. Nah. But to be honest, right, I can't really complain. I managed to get my 10 trade account up to the 18k mark. I managed to get my stock pair up past the $7,000 mark. I got my RB option in just 24 hours up to 1,284 euros in profit. So that's not too bad. Even if that's the thing. That's why I placed the 10 euro trade, just in case. So 10 euros isn't really a big flop. Oh wait, hang on a minute.
Yeah, on my side, the $20 thing, it's like
Oh, for fuck's sake!
1/11 of the account, which sucks.
How is that
Right now, it
possible?
just died. Well, on the
No.
5 minute, he did like a reversal.
No, that's not. I'm talking about the euro and the JPY. Could you check that for me?
Sure.
Why did I not just go with put?
Yeah, that's a down for sure.
Yeah. Well, I was an idiot. I jumped the gun, didn't I? And I fucked it up like badly.
What'd you do? You put a call?
I put a bloody put. No, yeah. Sorry, I put a call. Yeah, I put 2 bloody calls.
Yeah, you should have been fine with the put. Although
Yeah,
there was a
I should have listened to you.
huge candle.
Oh
No,
no.
it's okay.
Oh well. To be honest,
But I honestly think if we trade 5 minute candles, like just to enter for one bloody candle, once he has a reversal, he has higher potential of profit rather than go for a longer period.
that is true.
Because in 30 minutes, you have 6 candles. You
You know-
could have, let's say, 3 or 4 candles going one way, and then news that just screws you over.
Yeah, that's true. By the way, would you say that the Euro JPY will end up being a massive downwards trend?
Massive, can't really tell right now. Because right now it just like reversed again, and it's basically following the trend that's going down. When's your expiration time?
In 13 minutes.
What's your entry point?
My entry points are at 131.966.
Let me put it.
I'm really tempted to do like a 150 euro trade going down so I can make my money back. But right now it's stopped moving.
Once. Oh, yeah, that's.
No, hang on. No,
you
no.
want it to go up?
Well, I would have wanted it to go up, but I was stupid and I chose like. This is why I really get annoyed with myself, because I do some fantastic trades off the air, and the only good trade I've managed to show on the air is that previous trade. It's funny that, isn't it?
Yeah, but like it kind of vexes you inside, though.
Oh, at least it shows I'm honest.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, I've got wins, I've got losses. Can't win them all. Oh.
Yeah, Euro JPY, it's kind of mixed right now. If this candle ends as a red candle in 11 minutes, normally the next one should continue down. But only time will tell.
Oh, it's going up again. Come on. Go up. Come on, keep rising. Go on, rise, rise, rise. There's still 10 minutes. It needs to carry on rising. Do not let me down. Come on.
Euro
Ted.
JPY?
Yeah. It's on 947 now.
Really? It's like 938 on my screen.
Really?
944? Yeah. At
Okay.
least on the MetaTrader.
Well, yours probably updates a little bit quicker than mine.
946, 949, 947,
Oh,
46, 42.
I'm in the money in one of them. Oh. Okay, it's rising. It needs to rise more. Come on.
Yeah, he did a pin bar right now, so
Rise. Yeah, let's have a look at yours. Let's have a look at your chart.
oh, okay.
Nothing new happening. Anything new on the old calendars? No. Still markets
There you go.
the same.
This is basically your entry. But since you did this, and where we are right now, like we're literally at zero, now it should rise. See how it's rising?
Yes. That's
So you're
good.
gonna this one's gonna be an up candle.
Really? Thank God for that.
Yeah, trust. It's gonna be up because it's trying to break above anyway. You have too much of a strong level below.
That's
Like you
fantastic.
cannot go any lower. It's rising.
Happy with that. Let's go back.
It needs a little bit of a push, but
It needs a big
finally
push.
this should be crossing up. On this one, it's not really looking promising, like on the higher time frame. On a 5 minute, yeah, it's climbing a bit.
I have 10 minutes left. Come on, keep climbing. Almost there. If it just can get past the 966.
Oh yeah, you're gonna make it, man. This candle will push close or past it. The other one will go about here, if not higher. You should be able to make it. You always
Yes!
struck out. You always struck out like the last few
Oh
minutes.
my god, it's breaking up.
Remember how I told you this is gonna go up because of this?
Let me have a look a minute. Yeah, go on.
I told you it's gonna go up because of this pin bar right here. When it does like a cross, like dodgy looking thing,
Yeah.
this thing it just pushes. Because you were like,
But it's
it was
pushing down.
literally at 1.039 or 139%. So it just poof.
Yeah, I can see the dotted line there. It's pushing itself down. It needs to keep going up. No, what's it doing? Come on.
Well, you might have a 2 candle thing too though, because this is only 5 minutes. Your expiry is like 10 or 11, right? You said.
Okay, if it could just stay on the 970 part, I'm happy. 9 minutes. 9 minutes
Yeah, it's
left.
above it.
Oh,
It's above it. The next candle should be an up as well.
okay.
So you
I'll
should
be-
be fine.
I'll be right back. 1 second. Just gonna go and put the kettle on.
All right. Our Euro GPY, Euro GBP is climbing as well, which is good.
Oh, my nose.
They said our Euro GBP is going in the money as well. It's getting there.
You're joking. It is as well. It's climbing.
I'm
I'll
not
tell you what, right?
Yeah.
If we actually win on this hand, and I win on these two, fucking hell, I'm gonna throw a
Oh
party.
yeah. Can I be invited?
Absolutely. Well, I'll tell you what. I need the Euro and JPY to stay up. Oh no, it's going down.
No, it's gonna climb, trust.
Okay.
It's gonna climb. I think what I'm wondering is like at 9:05 normally we should be above the in, but we'll see. Because it climbs in waves. It's like it goes up, it goes down, goes up, goes down. But overall, since we had a double bottom, it should climb.
Okay. The the live recording has been going on now for about 45 minutes. This is gonna be really, it's gonna be really good. This is. Right.
That's a tall candle on your euro yen though. Now, normally after this one expires in about 1 minute, you should have another up. Because I don't really see
Can I have a
any
look at your
wicked.
candle chart a second?
Yeah, sure.
For the Euro JPY. I tell you what, I was just about to do a counter trend as well and place like a 200 euro trade on the Euro JPY
I
going
wouldn't.
down.
I wouldn't because this is too tall of a trade. I mean, sometimes what happens, you have three scenarios. Since you had a pin bar, after this, you'll have at least another up, and it could go to this level or higher.
I'll
Or
tell you
you
what,
might
Andrew, I'll tell you
have-
what, it's quite surprising because I'm glad you contacted me because if people want help in buying options, right, I need to get you on board as well because your knowledge is extremely good.
appreciate it.
It's absolutely fantastic, and I thought that you know my knowledge was good enough to sort of get myself in the money a few times, but you definitely know like obviously what you're talking about, like especially when it comes down because the thing is you have more. I know how to read charts, but candlesticks are very hard like to read. I find it well, in my opinion, anyway. Well, for me. Do you know what I mean?
But usually there aren't that many. Like for example, after you have this, you'll have an up. You have three chances. The next one could be up and could be to here or higher. This one could be a down, which could kind of screw you. But as long as this down is less than half, normally you should still be in the money by the time it ends. Or this one could be a dodge. There's like only three possibilities. But for this one, because you see the level right here, we're ranging between 80 and 90, whatever. We're like on the oversold on the stochastic RSI. But I have a feeling that you're gonna be in the money when this expires, though. It should
Yeah.
be fine.
Well, I'll tell you what. I placed a call because obviously with what
Oh man,
what
our Euro GBP is going down.
oh my god.
Yeah, it's going up.
I tell you what.
As soon as I said it, just turn around. Come on, push. You should be good on this one though. The Euro
I'll tell you what.
GP1.
So bad. We can't believe we actually lost that Euro GBP. Only just as well because the expiry was right to put it on. But hang on, it's going
we
up.
haven't lost it yet. Don't give,
Hang on,
don't
it's
give
going
up
up.
hope.
Come
Yeah.
on!
This is super close.
This is
Where's your
ridiculous. This is gonna be.
But that's,
Oh, we got 4 minutes
that's
left.
right.
Don't worry.
What about the GPY one?
I think I can safely assume that that's going to come in as a win. It's on 132 now.
Yeah, 132019. Yeah. But when's your expiry on that one? Is it like around 9?
It's in. Oh my god! No, don't drop! Come on! It's going to expire in 2.5 minutes. I can't watch.
Okay, let's switch. 2.5 minutes.
Oh no!
Yeah, this candle. Well, right now it's at 0, so the next one should be an up.
Oh god, man!
Unless if it's some sort of mini news, then it's gonna push more. But
Are you? What chart are you watching at the moment?
Euro yen right now. But I switched it to 1 minute to see what the hell this big red candle is.
Oh, come on! No, stop dropping. Go to blue.
Normally it should pull a little bit up because right now it's right at 0.
I have a heart attack. in
Unless
a minute.
it's a news, then you'll continue.
1 minute and 20 seconds left. If
Yeah,
this
just
doesn't come in,
forward.
I will cry. Because it should have done.
Ah, man.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, shit.
Ooh.
Pull up, pull up.
Jesus. I'm going to be sick. Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
Pull up. Pull up.
It-
God, it's like I'm shouting at the pilots from Star Wars or something.
We're just shouting in the chat.
Pull up.
Normally
Pull
it
up.
should pull up a bit because it's like on extreme over sold. It's at 0.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Come on.
The next one should be an up candle.
I think we can assume our one's not going to come in. Oh my god.
Oh, come on.
Oh, stay up, stay up.
Seb,
What's that?
how many seconds you got left?
On
Because
what?
it's fluctuating too much.
I know. Oh.
No, you should be good.
I
If it holds long enough, it should be fine.
Ooh. Hang on, it's on.
Yeah, it's gonna go up. Yeah.
Okay,
like I told you.
40 seconds.
It's gonna go up
Okay.
because it's at 6.8, 8, 10. Now it should push for 25%.
Do you want to see? Do you want to see my
Yeah,
screen?
it's pushing for 25. You're good. You're good. You're good. There you go. 50.
Oh, it's
Yeah, you're
pulling
good,
away.
you're safe.
Yes, it pulled
safe.
away. Yay!
It closed.
Oh, that was close. That was. I tell you what, right? It's almost as bad as when I placed that at that €1,000 trade last night. Oh, do you remember?
Yeah, I remember. But like,
It was
If
scraping
you check
across
this
the
out-
border, and then right at the end, it slammed away from it, and it was like, okay, breathe.
yeah, but like this level is like I told you before. It's like the moment it hits 0 or below 0, it has always to go up. All you're worried about is when it goes from 0 to like 5, 6, and then it goes to 25. See, another win. Yay.
The
Now let's look at the Euro GBP. Hopefully this son of a bitch climbs up. Yes, push!
What's
Push
happened?
like a minute. Yeah, it's climbing up. But let me switch my chart.
When's your expiry on that?
9:05.
Huh?
9:05 Eastern, so in 5 minutes.
Oh, you're
actually.
lucky. You still got another 5 minutes. Mine's expired.
It closed negative?
It's just closed. It's
Oh.
just closed now. But to be honest, I don't
Oh,
really
yeah,
mind.
keep climbing.
Is it
Keep
climbing?
climbing.
Don't
Yeah,
tell
it
me.
is.
Don't you dare say that. Oh my god, it is as well. I really hope it does. And by the way, those 2 trades on Euro JPY come in. Look at that. Yes. 2 wins. 3 out of 4 is not too bad.
Yeah, but you want to be at least 5-1 to be good.
Oh.
Because 5-1 can be turned into, let's say, 10-2,
Yeah.
so which is like 80.
Well, I managed to win. Let me just get my calculator from my drawer. Hang on. I did 3.
Climb!
88.
It's so close.
88
Where's
plus
my
8.
entry?
88 plus 88, 50. My RB off.
Come on, keep climbing. I
RB
want
option
this trade
one was
win.
91.50 equals 200 take away 150. My profit in this trading session was €118
Nice.
in profit.
706.4.
In profit. What's happening on your one?
Yeah, I'm just trying to draw a line on this one. Fuck. My entry is too high.
Oh
I
no!
don't think it's gonna make it.
Come on! Did it actually go in the
Let's
money
see.
at one point?
No, not really. Mine has been like down from the beginning because I had this huge candle that went down and then now it's here. But
To be
basically,
honest-
my entry is up there.
It might even still go up. You never know.
Well, I got like 3 minutes and 4 seconds to go, so.
And the good old GBP USD is still climbing all day, all morning.
I'm usually very skeptical for this currency, to be honest.
Can't believe that first
The
one
main
was a bloody
reason
win.
why I don't like to trade it is because in Euro you have too many countries, and each little country that like buys or sells
Yeah.
can influence the currency.
That is
versus if-
100% true, I guess.
Yeah, versus if you pick, let's say, pound, which is strong, versus something weaker, let's say Japanese or dollar or anything else, you have a higher chance of making it in the money most of the time. Or even euro sometimes, because of its volatility, you can hit it. Come on, keep climbing, push, 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 push like you mean it.
It might do, you never know. It might suddenly shoot.
I need like a huge up right now. It's like 2 minutes to go. The trend literally is gonna get a boner to be in the money. Yeah, yeah. This is not looking good. You might hit it probably after my expiry, but come on, give me like 100 pips. Go up. Push! Everybody buy! Come on.
Thing is, I'm very glad I did this update video because it just shows to people how easy it is to make money in buying options if you do know. And,
yeah, but
and if you don't
come on,
and if you don't make stupid mistakes like me and you to do another fucking
bro,
trade.
look at it.
Oh,
Look at it,
go
look
on!
at it.
No, what's he doing? He's so close.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh my god! How long you got left?
So close. Come on, push,
No,
push.
Oh my god, it's so close. It's go up. Oh my god,
It's gonna
I
expire.
don't believe it.
Yeah, expires in 1 second. I'm dead.
Oh,
Out of it.
that was so close.
So bloody close. Yeah, 0.
A $4 loss is better than a $20 loss.
Yeah, I agree, but the problem with stock pair is like this is the minimum amount they can trade with.
You need to get an account with RB options. Their minimum trade's $5.
Is it?
Yeah.
What about XC Trader?
XC Trader? Yeah, you can use RB option on XC Trader as well. But the thing is as well, if you want to use XC Trader, don't forget you have to open up like I think it's something like two or three brokers at a minimum to get like the signals and trends and all that lot.
Oh, for real?
No, for everyone.
Look at the euro dollar as it's climbing. Man. Remember how I told you could go up higher?
The euro what? Sorry.
Euro dollar.
Let me have a look. That is climbing. That is climbing those stairs.
But usually, what I would have done, for example, like let's say if we were to trade, I usually like to stick just with one currency. That's just my personal thing. But for example, like here you have like a reversal. Just take it for that one candle.
Yeah.
Or here you go for that one, and then you can go for another one because you just broke 50 and then it's going and climbing up higher.
That's true.
Here you would have been in a loss, but then here you just double down and you make your money back. So usually on the second trade you can make your money back without. That's why I kind of prefer the 5-minute chart because.
Out of interest, what's your doing? Do you do short-term trades?
Yeah, mainly. I mean, before when I showed you my pictures,
RB option has 300-second trades.
I've looked into that. You can do there's a way that basically, if you look at it in the 1 minute, for example, if we looked at this chart in the 1 minute, all you're doing, you could even do 2-minute trades. Like you find a broker that has 2-minute trades, and basically all you're looking for is
RB option has 2 minutes. RB option has 1 minute, 1 minute, 1.5, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then 5 minutes.
But the main benefit of it is you're trying to go for a 2-minute trade. Like, for example, this case, right? We have a down right here, we have an up. The reason why this is just crossing up, then you just go for 2 minutes, so you'll be 1-2 in the money, and you wait for it. And let's say it goes flat. You have another breakout above it, and you go 1-2 in the money.
Yeah, by the way, can you do me a favour?
Here.
Really quick.
Yes. Yeah.
Before we go on, can you go on your chart and put in Euro USD strike rate 1.07367 on a call?
Right now it's kind of going down on the 1 minute, but
I'm currently trading on the 5 minutes. It's going to expire in 5 minutes.
I think it's gonna go down, man.
I did the strike rate at 367. It's currently on 374.
Say the number one more time. 1.03.
1010. No, hang on a minute. Sorry, 1.07 367. 367.
1.07 367. Okay. And you put a call?
Yes.
Right now, in 1 minute, it's looking good for a call, but you have kind of a strong level here.
I've got another 200 seconds left, and it's still growing strong. The only thing about doing the very short trading is that the payouts aren't very good. Like I've just put a €20 investment on, and the payout's 34. So at least it's 14 euros in profit.
Yeah, but the thing about it too is like, if we were to do it, for example, like we wait for this little breakout, for example, like here you have a little bit of breakout, you look that it just crossed above, and you go for 2 minutes and boom, in the money. You wait for this, you draw a line, you wait for this candle to be basically breaking the previous support, and you just go in for 2 minutes. This one's negative, that one's positive, that's higher than your previous entry, boom, in the money. So it's like you could play around with it like that. Like even here, you wait for that, and then 2 minutes, boom, in. You wait for this, 2 in, 2, it'll be lower.
Yeah.
So basically, you play around with the upper and lower, and your entry has to be 4 seconds before this candle actually expires.
Okay. I know. Oh, hang on, I'll be right back. Gotta go and pull the cuppa.
All right.
Oh, I've got 1 minute and 40 seconds left. I'll be right back. Oh.
Cross your fingers.
I am, trust me. Jesus. That's hot.
Yeah, the red candle is not looking pretty, man.
I can see.
You're at 72.72%, so you should still hold until you expire.
I've got to wait. Is that mine? That light green line?
Yes, that's where your entry was.
Okay.
This one.
So I've got 90 seconds. Oh no. Oh Jesus, mother language, Timothy.
Yeah, like I told you, like if it tries to break through this level, it's.
Oh, come on, it's got to hold for a bit.
I don't know. You usually get lucky the last few seconds, but right now it looks like you're breaking through.
Don't bloody do this to me now. What the? Oh, God's sake.
Yeah. Well, when you told me basically you actually entered a call at this point, it was a little iffy because it did this candle before.
Oh. See, I should have asked you. Ugh. I'll tell you what, I need to really get my head around those candlestick charts like ASA fucking P and use them. Because they seem like a really good asset to use as well.
Oh yeah. The thing about it too, what you can use is here, I'll give you a link of it.
It's another fucking red. That is some typing you're doing.
Yeah, it's gonna close negative, right?
On the last 20 fucking seconds as well.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. Here, I'll give you like a cheat sheet. I actually have printed this out and sticked it in front of my computer desk.
Okay. Oh well, a loss is a loss, I guess.
Just
Yes,
print this
that's a loss.
out if you want. I would print it out in color because all the reversals, all the like the hammers, hanging man, whatever, like so your eyes get used to it.
Okay, fantastic. I'll do that. Right. Fucking hell. Oh well.
But I don't know. Me currently, right now, I can't really trade. Like the most of my trades that I've been successful on is usually a 5 minute thing because I look at it. I look for basically a breakout or a possible reversal, and then I just take it for one candle, and it gets to the point that if you wait for the right time, sometimes you have to cherry pick your trades, but you can get up to maybe 80 to 90% in the money. Sometimes if you wing it, or like if you switch back and forth to different currencies, you might lose an opportunity or enter a little bit too late.
Okay. Well, what I've done as well, because it's like if I'm absolutely dead certain that trade's going to come in, I will place a very big trade. Do you know what I mean? Like that €1,000 trade last night. I mean, that was going to be in the win. Well, it was in the win, but do you remember like the last 7 minutes it started to go down, and me and you were just sitting there going, "Whoa, no."
Yeah, like the thing about me is like longer trades, like 30-minute trades, are a little bit tough because you can have multiple, like you have multiple candles if you think of it. Like for example, if you were to have an entry, like this one is, for example, going down up to this point, but then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th one goes down. So that's like a half an hour right there. And if you were to enter, let's say here, by the time you count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have a big margin from there to there. But sometimes I think 30 minutes is too much of a time frame. You want like a huge long-term trade for you to be in the money. Like for example, this one, what we had a couple of days ago, that basically here you have a huge breakout, and since this was like an hour or 2 hour total news, if you count that, so you have 4 candles. Once you have that breakout, you have at least one other candle. So here you could go big on it.
Yeah. Wow. Oh. Right. I think that's going to be it for the trading. That 300-second trading thing was just a mess about for me, really. Well,
honestly, Seb, I wouldn't go for 300. I would go for a 2-minute thing.
A 2-minute thing? Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, if you go for a 2-minute thing, only go look at the 1-minute chart, and if you want, you could put like a really small one. But basically, we have to kind of cherry pick it and look for a reversal, because right now it's just ranging. What I usually like is if it goes all the way at the bottom and then climbs all the way up. Those are the best ones.
Okay, fair enough. I'll have to keep that in mind.
Like, for example, for this one, if we were to draw a line, like, for example, at this level, or like if we were to draw a line there, all we're waiting for is for the price to reverse back up, to have at least a candle that goes in our direction. So nice solid candle. We have here that basically we have a break above from 67 as it's reaching for a new high. And you enter, let's say, 4 seconds before this one expires, so the price will be somewhere here. Let's say this is your entry, and then by the time it expires, you'll be up there, so you have a little bit of a margin between.
Okay, fair enough. Right, that's going to be it for the trading session for Binary Options product review. Don't forget, guys, to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much, Andrew, for being here with us today.
Thank you.